Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KavuCreative. Today, we can learn how to create a logo design. I suggest watching my previous video tutorials on the logos. A link is given into the description. Let's start. Double-click on Artboard tool in Tool menu. In the Display option, tick on Show Center Mark. Select the Ellipse tool from Tool menu. Left-click on the artboard. Right, width and height equals 300 pixels. Press OK button. Align it, center. Make fill off and make increase the stroke size. Goes to Object menu and click on Expand and click OK button. Holding the Shift key and drag it to the top side. Select the Rotate tool. Holding the Alt key and click on the center. Write the angle equals 60 degrees and watch Preview and click the Copy button. Now press the Ctrl+D keys 4 times to duplicate the object. Select all and swap fill to stroke. Goes to Object menu and click on Path and click on Offset Path. Right offset equals 10 pixels, watch Preview and press the OK button. Select Shape Builder tool and swap stroke to fill. Now merge the shape using Shape Builder tool. When we merge the shape, pointer indicates the plus symbol. Take your time. Now ungroup every circle, one by one, and delete unfilled part of the circle. It's time-taking process. Select all and make stroke off. Now, holding the Shift key and select the opposite side of the object and make group. Change one by one group's color from color swatches. Select all and right-click and click on Group. Now, it looks awesome. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, write in the comment section. I will surely reply to it. If you liked the video, click on like to support the channel. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again.